Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 5 here at UCSD in the parking lot again. So this week we are starting off the week talking about whiteness and patriarchy. So the title of the discussion lecture for today, Monday, is racial politics / gender politics. And I want to do kind of a combination of exploration of a couple different case studies to explore how whiteness manifests not just as an experience of, say, white women or, people that are read as white in varying degrees, but also as a structure and how it works as a structure in U.S. society in the early 20th century. So we'll be talking about the themes that come up in the Cutcha Risling Baldy reading from Friday, and I'll give a little bit of context about boarding schools, Indian boarding schools in the early 20th century. And then we're going to switch to some of the conflicts that arose during suffrage activism and interracial organizing between Black and white women before the passage of the 19th Amendment, which is the constitutional amendment that gives women the right to vote in the United States in 1920. Then Wednesday, I want to pick up after the 19th Amendment and explore this concept of equal citizenship. What does equal citizenship mean from a political standpoint and, cultural and social, and explore different sort of iterations of women's experiences after 1920, after the right to vote. And then on Friday, our reading is a reading by Jules Gill Peterson, and it is about trans lesbian women in the mid-20th century. So it's a little bit of a different topic. We're transitioning sort of further up in time. She starts with her analysis in, I think it's right around World War II. So we're going to explore that, but I think it does really relate to these different categories of structural and experiential definitions. So who is a woman, basically, is the question that we're going to be exploring. Who is a woman? What does it mean to be a trans woman? And questions about sexuality interspersed in there as well. So it's a tough article, but I think it's really interesting, and we'll have plenty of time in the Monday of week 6 to sort of unpack all the themes that come out in that particular piece. Yeah. So this weekend, I finished up giving feedback to the class participation reflections, and I just wanted to say thank you for all of the observations and reflections that you gave. There were some really great suggestions in there that I'm going to incorporate into the remaining weeks of the quarter. So check in and see that feedback if you haven't yet. You can see I responded to each of the questions with individual comments. And this week, in addition to the class participation declaration, the iSearch paper plan is due. So this, I don't want you to stress too much. It's just, the initial idea of what you're thinking about doing for your iSearch paper. And then hopefully it'll jumpstart the research process, and I will be able to go and respond to the Padlet posts and give you some suggestions on potential primary sources or places you might look, or key search terms, or just sort of helping you get a handle on the research process so you're not in it alone, and fellow classmates will be doing that as well. So that's it. Welcome to week 5. Week 5 means the middle of the quarter, so we're almost, to the end, sort of. And I will see some of you in class this week and others online, and have a great week, everyone. Bye.